Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a simple intro for your YouTube channel, or basically the basics of making an intro when it comes to Sony Vegas Pro. I'm using the 11.0 edition. I'm pretty sure this should work on the newer ones as well. You know, it's just the basic programs and the basic features. So we're gonna start off and we're gonna insert a video track, and we're gonna go to media and solid color. Now the intro that I've made for this video is orange. You can use any color. For example, you can use blue, green, red. You can use any color you want, whatever suits you the best. But I made orange as it's just the easiest one to work with. So we come to this screen, and the back there is like the preview kind of video. So here you can change your color to anything you want. You can black, white, orange. I'm gonna change it down to a bit of a darker but they're orange. Also make sure this is set in HSV, and that's done. So we're gonna insert another video track. Sorry for the delay there. Another video track, and this time we're going to insert the text. So you can use this by here, back into media, two down from solid color. You can use titles and text, where you get loads of different animation for the text. Whereas we are working with a simple, you can also go in by here into right click it and you get insert text media. But as we're working on the simple intro, we're going to use a default sample text, and we're gonna have ours set as intro sample. I don't know. Obviously you have your name there. We're going to set the size to 48 to keep that the same, and we're just going to select the text type. Now I'm not too sure what I actually had as my one for the video. You can pick any of these, or you can download them off the internet, but I'm not going to do that, as I'm just doing the basic kind of Sony Vegas intro for the beginners. So you just find the one you like there. Not too sure. 2 seconds guys, I'll pick one and I'll be straight back. Okay, so I'm using show card Gothic for this video. You can set whatever size is best for your video, but there. You can change the text color by here. Just mess about with these, the scale, the location. You can even do an animation with that button, but we're not going to do that today, so we close off that. Now just make sure they're both the same size. Okay, so we're going to work on the background now, as the background's looking pretty boring. We're going to go back into media and color graduation, this one, and put that in the background. So it should come up now. If you can hear the snoring in the background guys, it's the dog. So we're going to get to, and we're going to drag that down to there, and done. Okay, so sorry guys, 2 seconds. Gonna make sure that this is on top of the orange, so like that. Now to edit that back up, we just go to this button here and it comes back here, so we're gonna give it some more black, bring the one down a little bit, about by here. So that's looking pretty good now. Okay guys, so back to the text again. I missed something out, so we're gonna go to edit the text and we're gonna go to, if we go down to shadow, so we're gonna give it just a little bit of a shadow. The computer's running a bit slow as I'm in the middle of downloading a few things. And okay, like that. So we're gonna just take some stuff away. So you're gonna bring this down to about, say it about here, and this can go about the same actually. And the shadow blur, saying that I needed it to go a little bit closer into the, if I just, there we go. So we're just giving it a bit of a 3D look, about there we go guys. So that's the shadow done. So far we've literally just got that, and it's pretty boring, I know. So we're gonna animate it a bit now. Okay, so we're gonna go to video effects and we're gonna go to bump map right here, and I'm gonna give it an upper right glow, so we drag that on top of the text. Okay, so move this so I can see the text. So that gives it the kind of light effect. So location, oh, we're lagging. Source, there we go. Okay, so this by here generates how light and how kind of dark it goes. So I'm going to keep it about there, and I'm just going to get it where this bit we can move it around. So I'm just going to get this bit where, you know, we want it. So we're going to put it around, where should we have it? Around by there. So now we're going to animate this up. So we're going to click this button here, and this down here is our timeline. So the beginning, we're going to start where we are now, and then we're just going to drag this over, oh, not that one, drag this one over to the very end, and then we're just going to drag our marker to where we want it to end. So say about there. And should be done. Nope, we're not done. Why isn't that working? We go back onto there. Nope. Drag this back down onto it. Okay, no, there's too many now, so we take away this one and we get to the original one. And okay, so if we're working from here, and we're dragging it along to here, and we're putting that, if we drag this along to the end as well, it should move. There we go, it's moving. Okay, so let's exit this up now and go back to the start and press play. 2 seconds, guys. Okay guys, so it is not the Sony Vegas, it's actually my computer, because I'm literally using my computer right now and not my laptop. So, with a laptop it comes on straight away, so, if you're running a good computer or laptop, it will work on yours. Obviously it's not working on mine due to it being so crap, should I say, but it is there. It is already in. So, yep, that's the bump map and the upper right glow. So, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing we're doing, we're adding a lens flare. Now we're gonna go to is it lens flare? Yeah, lens flare. I'm adding a 35mm lens. You can add, let's add 105 a minute, see what that does. Just play around. You can always delete and add more. Yep, they're pretty small, so if I take that one away, let me go to full. Let's go auto. Nope. Let's go full. Okay, so we're gonna add a 35mm lens into the text. Into the text. And you're gonna stay. Okay, so just play. Okay, we go in there. I can't use you there. Oh, this computer is so slow. Okay, so we're gonna go light position, and we're just gonna move the lights about. So we say, I want that to go across it all. You go down a little bit, up a little bit, left a little bit, down. Let's stay there. Okay, so we're gonna add animation again, and drag it right along like that, and then we're gonna bring it to the end and drag it back along and close. So obviously this one isn't working as well, but we'll see it at the end like that. So that's where it will end. So okay, so we're also adding a lens flare onto the background. So you're gonna have 35 again and drag onto the background this time, like this. Now these are where you have these are totally up to you. You're gonna change the color to a red, and you're gonna go back. Oops. Okay, so light position. You can add an animation in a minute, but we're just gonna start him there, and animation, and drag it right to the end, and just bring it down to here. And if I just put that there, drag that over to the end. I think I'll just rather use this side over here. Oops. So there we go in. Where are we? Nearly there. So this is the actual video, but it's in a really slow motion. Are we done yet? Okay, so the ending bit, I don't actually want that. I want it to come down a bit more. So above that. Now we're gonna go to blend. That's all the way up. This one all the way. No. Should we say down to? Down to there and tint. Save up with there. So that's that. I'm just gonna close that one. Just gonna quickly go back into the intro, the text. And sorry, wrong button. This one. And we're gonna go to bump map and bring this all the way up to 1 and no, saying that we bring it down a bit more. What should we say about? But there. No, we want it realistic enough and nice enough. So we bring that all the way down. Not saying that we bring that to 55. There we go. That'll do. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so we're now going to the light rays. And we're going to do moderate light rays, and on the text, make sure you put it on the text, not the background. This cannot be used in the background, it's just a text kind of thing. So that's pretty, spin out. So we're just going to mess around with these. Add this up a little bit. Oops. So this gives it the kind of 3D look that we're looking for. Make sure you blend that in all the way, just enough, and the noise 100% as well, and that 100%. Now you can leave it like that if you want. It's totally up to you. But I'm gonna try and get it close to the one I did in the intro. I'm gonna bring that all the way down. I'm gonna feather it all the way up. Just sort this one up. Now we're gonna bring that all the way down as well. Strength all the way down. And sensitivity all the way down. We're just gonna add this one up a little bit. And this one up a little bit more. And we're just gonna give it a little bit of strength. There we go, like that. So that's the text. Okay, so if you go back into your light rays effect, bring this all the way up, add a bit more sensitivity, and I'm just gonna sort this out. 2 seconds, guys, bear with me. Okay, if we change color to black, yeah, keep that blended in. Okay, so the beginning we're gonna have in this top corner by here. We're just gonna wrong one. We're just gonna drag this to the end and drag this to the other side, like so. So it moves from this side to that side, and then that's done. Okay, so the last literally like 2 steps is we're gonna add the music. So we're gonna go to if I go to File, Document, and back to here. Now we're just going to drag this into the bottom. Just wait for that to load up. There we go. And you're just going to click the part you like. So if I'm correct, it's by here. Oh, crap. This thing just popped up at the bottom. I have no idea where it came from. Anyway, you're going to put your music in and you're going to pick the part that you like. So to snip the audio, just press S on your keyboard. Now I didn't even know if I've collected the right part, but it'll do. So last thing, what the hell is going on? The last thing, you're just gonna widen it up so this is easier, and then from the top video we're just gonna fade offset. Try and get them all the same. They don't have to be perfect. And the audio as well. And do the same so it's fading out. And press play. There's going to be nothing on my screen, guys, as it is, you know, computer is crap. So we're going to go to render as. This is the most important bit that most people get wrong when it comes to saving your video. Back into render as. This by here, do not click off that. If that's click off it, because that'll only create 14 minutes, I think it's 14, something like that, off your video. Even if your video is like half-hour long, it will still only render 14 minutes. You know, it's okay for this because it's not even 40 minutes, it's not even a minute. But, you know, just in case you need to know. We're going to continue with that. We're going to name this. We're going to browse actually so we can get the right folder. Just going to find the folder where everything is in. YouTube how-tos. And we're going to go intro, final, and render. Okay, so you just gotta wait for that to render. I don't need it to render as I already have a copy of that, so I'm gonna cancel that. And yeah, that's pretty much how you make a simple, well, really simple intro and make it look good for your YouTube channel. Now why ain't that cancelling? For a YouTube channel, I am not, you know, if you want to some more experienced kind of YouTube intros, then let me know, as I will make them once. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This is Randy Mupu.